Hi, Dave Wilkins, Wolverine Business Solutions, where we transform your accounting and operations into strategic systems and partner with you in using them to find and make more money. Welcome back. Last week, I talked about the challenges of balancing the time spent on building your business and the time spent on delivering your products and services. Today, I want to talk about making sure you are making the most of that time. I believe we've all heard way too many times the old saying, time is money, and the other one, our most valuable resource is time. But are they both true? Sure, wasting time results in poor performance most of the time, and we have a lot more to do than we ever seem to have time to do it. Recently, I was watching a video from Mark Kelly, founder of Dynamic Catholic, which really changed my thinking on this. Mark said that time is not our most valuable resource. Energy is. As Mark so astutely argued, you can have all the time in the world, but if you don't have the energy, you won't get things done. I stopped and thought about that for a bit, and I realized he is so right. I thought of many times I was busy working on something in the business, working with a problematic client, trying to solve some technical problem myself, and I recalled how those experiences sucked all my energy, not to mention a lot of time. I also recalled that when I was done with those issues, I really did not have the energy to jump into something that was more valuable to the business. I had to waste some time to recharge my energy bank. I'll bet if you're honest with yourself, you can find plenty of those instances too. Let's face it, we're all guilty of it. The worst part is we don't even know it's happening. We spend too much time working on things in the business as opposed to working on our business. The things we should be doing to help the business grow more efficiently and to generate more revenues, to build customer bases, and to build lasting value. But what do? What do we end up doing? We end up spending a lot of our time in those mundane tasks involved in the business. Maybe it's posting accounting. Maybe it's trying to learn some software or tinker with some tools, things that could be more effectively done by somebody else with the right skills and reasonable fees, so you can devote your time to really where it needs to be, growing your business. Think about how much more time and, more importantly, the energy you could have if you fired those problematic customers who suck up your time and energy and cost you money in the long run. I find working with really engaged and passionate customers boosts my energy. So think about it. Where are you spending your time? Do those activities boost or drain your energy? To learn more and to find out how Wolverine Business Solutions can partner with you to find and make more money, please reach out to us using the link below. If you have any ideas for other content, please let us know in a message below as well. And be sure to join our Facebook group and our YouTube channel. Thanks.